Reading Mama. It's break time! Let's play! Look! I and M. I and M always play together. I and M play on the seesaw. I and M have fun. I and M play on the swing. I push the swing for M. I and M are best friends. R sits on the bench. R looks bored. Maybe R waits for his friends. Aha! R found his friends. R has many friends. R plays with you, they, we. Be careful. You might fall. R plays tennis with you, they, we. R loves to play with his friends. I'm wondering which team will win. You, they, we play soccer with R. R likes soccer. Do you like soccer too? Hello, Iz. Iz wants to introduce his friends. He, she, it are friends with Iz. Iz likes to play with he, she, it. They are having fun on the bus. Who's upside down? Yes, he is brave. Iz plays ball with he, she, it. Everybody looks happy to play. Iz plays with his best friends. He, she, it. It's exciting to play with good friends, isn't it? M looks for his friend. Do you remember M's best friend? Yay! I and M found each other. I am happy. Why does R pull that rope? R has a tug of war with his friends. You are happy. They are happy. We are happy. Oink? What is doing? Is jumps high. Oh, I see. He, she, it. Play jump rope with is. She is happy. He is happy. It is good. Oh, break time is over. M-R is. Have to go back to school. Bye. See you soon. Reading Mama.